Hello. This is a simple SFM tutorial. This tutorial will go over the basics. First, install and launch SFM from Steam where it's free. When you have launched it, name your animation, then click Create. It should say, No map loaded, so what you want to do is click the File button and press Load Map. There are lots and lots of pre-made maps if you are new, but you can get more on Steam by going on SFM Workshop and subscribing to map packs. For now, just press a map and hit Open. It takes a while to open sometimes, so I'll just cut to when it's open. This is an alleyway map. To look around, just click and drag. To move, press W, A, S and D. Now, it's time to load a model. Like I said before, there are lots of models on there, but if you want specific models, go onto Steam, then onto the SFM Workshop. Search up what you want, then subscribe to that model. For now, I'll use a FNAF model. Once your model has loaded, position it. To move it, go onto Body and press Root Transform. And click the shapes on the toolbar for specific movement. The circle one is more smooth, but I'll use the arrows. It's quite easy to position. Just go onto the parts you want to move, but don't use the arrow movement tool. This will attach the limb. Use the rotation tool or the circle tool. Or just click Ctrl to see all the skeleton. Once you have positioned your model and you're happy with it, press the plus button at the top left and select Animation Set for New Camera. You should see a camera symbol on the left. Click and drag it onto the screen. The POV will change, so get into a position you like and drag it onto the screen again. Now, it's time to animate. Press one of the movement tools to move a limb. At the bottom of the screen, you can see a button. It's the one 3 places to the right from the golden button near the bottom. Press it with each movement you make on your model. This is called bookmarking. When you press the play button, your model should move. If you want to zoom out or in, press the camera button and scroll in and out with your mouse wheel. If you want to rotate, click and hold the R key, then move your mouse around. If you want smoother or rougher movement, go onto the graph editor, which is the button next to the golden button. There are lots of bars above it, saying lots of things. If you want it smoother, pull up the bar saying smooth. That should pretty much conclude this video. Thanks for watching.